I am currently at a day's apartment complex. We're gonna check out the PANIGALE V4S today. I'm so excited to shoot this thing. I've seen it in person. I actually saw it at IMS, but he currently has it sitting in his living room. Gonna walk inside. He told me it was changing, so we'll just check it out. Wow. There's even some little lights there in the tail light. It glows through. Wow. What do you guys think so far? Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. Took me a while to get used to this front end here, but I'm really liking it so far. Can't wait to see this thing in the sun. You rocking the 70th anniversary helmet?
Yeah, man. Bring that thing out for the first time. Just took the tag off and the hydrations.
You haven't even used it yet?
System never. I think the tag is still on it. Yeah. Oh.
Dang, this thing's so clean.
Yeah, no.
Sweet. And we're riding ACH day, right?
Yeah, we're gonna do ACH, man, and get this bike opened up.
Sweet, man. I'm ready when you are. Summarize the riding so far in one word.
Exhilarating.
How does it handle in the wind?
Man, I gotta see it on camera. It felt like a wild horse under me.
Really?
It's not because of the bike. It was literally the wind was just moving the bike front and rear at different points. When it was just, I felt the rear coming around, the front was moving. I mean, it felt scary.
When I was looking through the lens, like when you're hitting this turn right here,
yeah.
I saw the back end just kind of like wobbling.
The whole thing was moving, and I was just like, man, like, should I just slow down? I was like, you gotta do it for the camera, man. I stayed on the gas and just made the turn. I was like, man, I'm just gonna pray for the best.